afternoon, Castro Valley Vibe. We're here at Southern Comfort Kitchen in Castro Valley, one of the more popular and famous restaurants here in Castro Valley. We're so happy that these three brothers could come back to their community, start this restaurant here. The first question, guys, is I'm just curious, how did you guys get started with Southern food?
Well, Southern food has been in our roots. We were all born in New Orleans. So our family had restaurants in New Orleans. My dad had a restaurant called the Catfish Shack.
Okay.
You know, so all the recipes originate from, you know, New Orleans, the restaurant. We did a little tweak into them, you know, when we brought them out to Cali.
Okay.
But that's where they originated started.
Nice.
New Orleans, Pops' restaurant.
Nice. And what's the experience been like for you guys, you know, having a restaurant here where you guys are born and raised and kind of providing that delicious food for your community? What's that been like for you guys?
Yeah, well, coming from the food trucks and traveling around, doing all the different events, you know, it's been nice to locate in our hometown here, Castro Valley, and really, you know, let the community get our flavors more, you know, so they're not finding us on the road so much. It's just a great thing, you know.
Definitely not. Brent, tell us about the beautiful spread we have here right now.
All right, let's do it. So what we got here, we got the soft shell crab, the famous Louisiana blue. Up next, we got the seafood gumbo, got the shrimp, crab, cod, celery, onions, bell peppers, made with a nice roux, and then a piece of bread for all your dips and purposes. And we got the delightful shrimp po' boy, 6 jumbo shrimp, you got pickled tomato, you got that red wine vinegar slaw. Woo! And up next, right here, the Southern Fried Chicken Smackdown.
That's my favorite. That's
Double
my favorite
chicken
right
breast.
there.
You got the Old Bay garlic aioli. You got the pickles. You got your bread. Baked every day fresh. And the famous drink, the sweet tea. And also the fan favorite, the brown sugar lemonade is on deck always. Stirring up the big pot of the seafood gumbo, baby. My favorite is the crawfish etouffee. Crawfish in a rich sauce, over better rice, fresh crawfish tails flown in from Louisiana. That's my get down. That's my number one. Up here, we got the red beans and rice. Got the big hunks of sausage, cooked with the ham hock. The red beans cook for about 6 hours.
We have the Houdat shrimp right here, one of the house favorites, worker favorites, cooking up.
I got our Houdat sauce, and then we white breaded shrimp, and then we toss it, and then we put it over fries, a little bit of green onion to garnish, and out the door.
So what's in the sauce?
A lot of stuff.
That's it? That's all you're giving me?
Blackened shrimp.
One of the better perks about being a co-host, obviously, is now I get to enjoy this delicious food at Southern Comfort Kitchen. Please check out the description below for more links to CastroValleyVibe.com. Also information on how to connect with Southern Comfort. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. I'm Robert Pace, and we are loving your Castro Valley Vibe. Obviously, if you guys haven't been here yet, you're definitely missing out. You guys need to come down, check out these guys in the kitchen, whipping it up. They just celebrated their 1-year anniversary a couple weeks back.
Let's go!
And they're looking for a lot more successful years. So please come on, check them out.
Castro Valley Vibe, baby!